Hi guys! Today I'm making you hot honey wings, perfect for a party. These are sweet, spicy, and cooked in the oven, not fried. The recipe link is right below the video in the description. I bought whole chicken wings that will be cut up. This is a freezer bag to save the tips in and use for chicken stock. Cut off the wing tip. Feel around the bottom of the drumette and it's easy to cut. Here's the flat or wingette and drumette. Put them in a bowl. All the tips, that's great to make stock. For the spice mix, to a small bowl, add garlic powder, onion powder, salt, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, you can use regular paprika, cayenne powder, and sugar. Mix that up. To cook the chicken, set a rack on a baking sheet. It's best to spray the rack so the wings don't leave sticky bits on it. I rarely use spray, so I don't have it. I'm just putting a little oil on a paper towel and wiping the rack on both sides. By the way, you can line the tray with parchment paper or foil to avoid the tray cleanup. Wipe the chicken with paper towels to get rid of any moisture. Sprinkle the seasoning mix all over. Mix with your hands so the wings are seasoned evenly. Arrange them on the rack so they're not touching. Usually the oven is hotter in the back, so I put the drumettes in the back of the tray because they're bigger and they'll take a little bit longer to cook. Adjust the wings so the smallest ones are in the front. Cook in the heated oven for 20 minutes. Then flip them over. Back in the oven for another 20 minutes. In the meantime, make the sauce. To a small pot, add butter, honey, and hot sauce. Heat that up and cook for 5 minutes on low heat when it bubbles along the edges of the pot. Set it aside until the chicken finishes cooking. After 20 minutes, I'm going to remove the flats because they are cooked. The drumettes are unusually large, so they need a few more minutes in the oven. Now the drumettes are done. I want to eat them right now, but I'll have to wait. Put all the wings in a large bowl. Pour on 3/4 of the sauce. Toss that well. Of course, you can eat them just like this, but they taste even better when you put them back on the rack and in the oven for 5 minutes at 450 degrees. The sauce clings to the wings and forms an almost sticky coating. You can serve the rest of the sauce on the side for those who like very saucy wings. These are a crowd pleaser, so definitely give them a try. And now, here's my daughter, who only comes down from her room when something smells good.
Say my name, say my name. When no one, ooh, oh, oh, when no one is around you, I'm gonna eat one of those right now. No, you're not. Starving, and I want a chicken wing. My throat is in pain, and I need a cough drop.
After 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Flip it over.
Oh, hell no. 20 minutes? Oh, you're recording. Don't you dare put that in your video.